A very good evening to all my subscribers for Trade Ideas. My name is Rain, founder of Forex 100 Academy Private Limited. The first currency today we're going to look at three currency pairs. The first currency we are going to look at is New Zealand dollar. New Zealand dollar, I have already engaged a short position at 0.7076. My subscriber will have received the level earlier on before it was triggered for all the trades. My initial stop loss is at 0.7125. For this trade, I put it as class C trade, so don't put up too much risk for this trade. What do I mean by 0.5% of risk? Mean you say that initial capital in the event of the stop loss being triggered, I'm only going to lose 0.5%. Alright, so my initial stop loss for this trade is 0.7125. My target one is at 0.746, which is at this level over here. Alright, that is a good 49 is a good 30 pips. Initial stop loss 49 pips. So my second take profit level is at 0.7022. That is a good 54 pips profit, and my final take profit level will be over here, 0.7003. that is about 73 pips of profit. So this is for New Zealand dollar. Next we are looking at pound dollar itself. As you can see, the currency actually have, this is a 4-hour chart, the currency actually have retested the previous high. So for some trader, if you are looking at head and shoulder formation, then this is a probable potential head and shoulder formation. Let me just plot it out for you. This is the first shoulder, and of course we see the market retest the shoulder level before it formed the head over here. Market started to come down. Actually, it went deeper after it tested the previous resistance over here, came back up again. A perfect head and shoulder will have to come back somewhere around 1.2551. So to some aggressive trader, you might have really shorted at this level, because the level I have shorted, reason being the market has retested the previous high. So some trader might afraid that the market will just move downwards. Another way of saying it, ignoring the head itself, the head formation itself, what you can see is a downtrend setup itself. So the first level I'm looking at based on the downtrend setup is at 1.2437, which is over here. Alright, although it looked close, but it is at least around 30 pips away, somewhere around there, before we reach this level. So once it reach this level, I'll see whether there's opportunity for me to push my stop loss to entry level. That's the first thing I'm going to look for. The second take profit level I'm looking at is at 1.2364, which is actually this level. And of course, for some trader, if you're looking for the completion of the head and shoulder formation, it has to come all the way down, hitting this trend line over here to have your head and shoulder formation. And of course, you have to wait for it to close below the downward trend line itself. Alright, break below and close below a downward trend line, and the final target you can be looking at for this trade itself is at 1.2311. Just the final level you should be looking at is 1.2084. 2311, it could be one of the level as well, but 2084 will be the completion of your head and shoulder formation. That will be somewhere over here. Alright, so that is for pound dollar. Next, last but not least, we are looking at euro dollar itself. For euro dollar, it is not a very fantastic setup, but it's a tradable setup. You might want to put it at class C as well. Do not expose too much risk for this trade. Alright, so based on some advanced trading techniques itself, I'm looking at the market to reverse at this point to go all the way down, breaking off the support line over here, the upward trend channel, and moving to the next target. I am observing closely. My entry price I've engaged is at 1.0642. My initial stop loss is 1.0690. That will be 48 pips for my initial stop loss, and the target one I'm looking at is at 0.0603. At 0.0603, I will be looking for a opportunity for me to place my stop loss to entry level. So once the market has reversed over here, came down, I'll look for a price for me to engage to put my stop loss entry. That will be 1.0603, and my target 2 will be below the trend line, which will be at 1.0584, somewhere over here. And the final profit level is a good 162 pips. Will be at 1.0480. Now that will be my take profit level over here. Alright, 1.0480. Okay, so looking very bearish for all these three currency pairs itself. So if you have not received the level and you don't want to miss this level again, you want a idea, or you want to see what a full-time trader is doing and what is the thought process of all the trade, subscribe now to Trade Ideas. The first month is only for $10, and subsequently will be only $100 every month. My name is Rain. Once again, thank you very much for watching the video. Founder of Forex Academy Private Limited. Have a great trading year ahead.